Explore 517 8th Avenue Northeast, here in Sidney, Montana. This manufactured home offers the kind of space, comfort, and functionality you wouldn't expect at this price point. You'll love the upgraded kitchen, featuring warm hickory cabinetry and stainless steel appliances for both style and durability. With generous counter space and plenty of storage, it's thoughtfully designed for everyday convenience. The first room is the primary suite, featuring an expansive ensuite bath complete with a spacious walk-in shower and a soaking tub, worthy of a long exhale. The dual-sink vanity adds convenience, and the generous layout creates a relaxing retreat you'll look forward to enjoying at the end of the day. Just outside the primary suite and next to the kitchen are the dining and living areas, perfect for meals, entertaining, and relaxing. Just past the kitchen, living, and dining areas, you'll find the second bedroom, cozy and inviting, alongside a second bathroom with modern fixtures and a functional layout. Beside the second bathroom is an oversized laundry area with plenty of space for full-size machines, storage, and folding, perfectly designed to handle everyday household needs. The next room is a bonus flex space, ideal for work, play, or hosting, with plenty of room to use as you wish. Finally, a third bedroom completes the layout, warm and welcoming. Outside, there's even more to enjoy: off-street parking, a fenced yard for privacy, a large storage shed, and a back deck with a concrete pad ready for your future hot tub. This rare home checks all the boxes. Schedule a viewing today and see it for yourself.